Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, my colleagues, the scouts, Salam alaikum. I'm here to share our efforts in contribution towards environmental protection in South Sudan. South Sudan Scout Association, through the support of Dr. Atif Abdul Majid, the Regional Director, World Scout Bureau Arab Regional Support Center, was founded in 2011, following the independence of South Sudan on the 9th July 2011, and was observed as full member of the World Organization of the Scout Movement on the 1st May 2013, with a membership of about 1,900 scouts and 100 adult leaders. However, currently, our membership stands at 11,000 young people and 300 adult leaders nationwide. Our efforts that we get towards creating a better world include health education with focus in personal and household hygiene, awareness, clean up and garbage collections, tree planting, promoting peace and dialogue among the youth and communities, engagement of youth in food security, sustainability. These programs are designed to be achieved through youth activities to have maximum impact for lifetime positive transformation of young people. The environmental challenges in South Sudan, the schools, hospitals, public recreational centers are lacking trees to provide conducive environment to humans and animals, as we have seen in the pictures. Poor waste disposal management, random burning of trees and grass, conflicts also contribute to serious environmental threats. The environmental status of South Sudan currently, even though a layman arriving in Juba today, the capital of the country, it is clear that the main streets, parks, playgrounds, schools, hospitals in the city are without trees. That creates pleasing environment. This has resulted in a harsh dust and extremely hot environment situation. The lack of trees on the cities means lack of social and recreational gathering places for both young and elderly people. We know very well that trees are very important because it creates a peaceful and pleasing environment by provision of cool shades on the streets, clean the air and provide enough oxygen, combat climate change and deforestation. Trees are also enhancing our quality of life by bringing natural elements such as wildlife habitats into our urban settings. Presence of trees on the streets, parks, playground encourages people to gather under cool shade. Trees provide during outdoor activities with families and friends. It also attracts tourists, which will contribute to the rise of the economy of the country. Therefore, South Sudan Scout Association proposed this project to address the serious situation of lack of enough trees in which, if no action taken now, then the future of the coming generation will be in danger. The activities in this project will include training of young people, that is, train scouts on necessary seedling planting and tree management. Tree planting exercise will be through work camps to provide time for the young people to be engaged in learning and sharing other issues like the dialogue for peace and nonviolence, good governance, antisocial habits, drug and substances abuse, climate change, SDGs, games and sports to create a peaceful coexistence and to reduce lifelong trauma among the young people of South Sudan. The goals of this project, the goal of this project is to contribute in creating clean, healthy, and friendly environment in South Sudan. And the objectives are to train 300 youth in necessary management and plant 10 million trees, to plant 10,000 trees in Juba town and the surrounding, and also to inculcate into the minds of the young people the culture of love and care for the environment. Our strategy, the core activities of this project are necessary establishment, tree planting through work camps. The first phase will be provision of trees planting inputs in the seedling nursery setting up. This will be managed by the scout groups responsible for the setting up and day-to-day management of the whole nursery. The second phase will be the scout work camps for the planting of seedling when ready, protection and caring of the planted young trees. This activity will go concurrently with capacity building of the scouts and beneficiaries institutions. These institutions will be mainly the schools, health facilities, public recreational centers, and municipalities responsible for parks and street sites. The institutions will work together with the Scout Association in the general tree management principles. We shall work in partnership with the planning, planting, protection, and caring of seedling the young trees with the Ministry of Forestry and Environment, schools, health facilities, public recreational centers, and municipalities authorities. The capacity building will be done by agroforestry experts on the job training. The Scout Association shall work closely with the local government agroforestry authorities in identification of appropriate tree species and the management of the whole process of afforestation intervention. This collaboration with the local forestry and environment authorities will ensure that selected tree species and shrubs are compatible with surrounding environment and the recommended local species to avoid the introduction of invasive, aggressive.
Time, please.
Just few seconds.
Okay.
Not minute.
Half minute, only.
Yes. The expected impact is that urban population of Juba will benefit from the conducive environment. And the 300 trained young people be able to promote the same activities in their own communities. As a young Scout Association in a troubled nation, the need for support from individual friends and loving and also towards this effort is required. I therefore invite anyone who wants to have our detailed project document to contact us through our official email. Shukran lakum.
Shukran.